Okay, Plexus Heart Team, it's Don here. It is Friday morning, and today is the big day for the Plexus convention. So we've already had a lot of people asking some questions. They just started the first session, which is the, hold on just a minute, let me see what it was called. It's called the, where is it at? It's called the mixed fitness. Okay, guys. So is what I'm going to do. I'm going to share my screen with you guys, and I'm going to show y'all exactly what to do. Okay. So let's go ahead, and I am going to share my screen. Let me see if I can figure out how to do this. I haven't done this. Okay, share the screen. Okay, so I am going to share my desktop. Okay, guys. So here we are. I am logged in to the, it's called the Brand Live event page, okay? So when you log into your Brand Live event page, here's what you want to do, okay, guys? So I'm gonna show you right quick, and I'm gonna show you what's going on. We've got, there's general session number 1, and see, it's also in Spanish and different languages. I'm not for sure what all it is, but so there's, that's, looks like Spanish there. So I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to show you right now, because here is the mixed fitness, and it is live right now. Okay, guys? So is what you want to do is, if you want to watch this live mixed fitness video that's going on right now, you click on that. Okay. So when you click on it, it's going to say mixed fitness. It's going to have your name. It's going to say, welcome, Greg. Please register for this event. So you hit register for the event. Okay. So once you do that, bam, it's going to pop up. You're going to see the event. So see this little thing there? You click that, and there you go. So see, the girl is live, or she's not live because I believe this is all pre-recorded, but she is showing you how to do different fitness things. Okay, guys? So now the same thing's going to happen when tonight with the live event. Okay. So now is what I'm going to do real quick. I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to click out of this, and I'm going to show you guys is what you want to do next too. You want to do this with all of the events that you want to attend, because I did it on my account this morning. So I saved it on, I'm on Greg's account right now, so I could show you guys exactly what you need to do. So when you're on the event page, then here is general session number 1. Now, general session number 1, it says it starts at 4:00 p.m. That is Pacific time. It's 6:00 p.m. Central time, and I believe it is 5:00 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, guys? So is what you want to do. If you want to go ahead and do this now, you can go ahead and do this, and then that way it will put all of your things that you registered for down below in the event when you're ready. Okay, so you click on general session number 1, and it's going to say again, it's going to say general session number 1. Hello, Greg Hunter. Welcome, Greg. Please register for this event. So you hit register for the event. Okay. Now, it is not going to show you this event until it goes live tonight, but at least this way you are prepared and you are ready. Okay. So now over here to the, once you do that, over here to the left or to the right, if you want to make a comment and do a post, you can do that. I did one this morning, and let me see if I can find it. There it is right there. So see me right there? I said, I am up, and I have my 2020 Vision Plexus Heart Team shirt on, and I am so excited. And it lets you post a picture if you want to post a picture. So see, I did that, and I've already had 6 likes on my deal. So, and then Karen Cruz Smith said, yay, I have mine on. So I'll have mine on soon. So excited. So there you go, guys. That's for the event tonight. Okay. Now, here's what you want to do too, so that and it'll tell you right here, it'll tell you the breakdown. It's going to say musical entertainment by Thomas Rhett. That is going to be first. So they're going to open with a concert. Then there's going to be the Victor Antonio. Celeste Gwynn's going to talk. Then The Power of You, Marianne Atencio or whatever. Then the new launch of the product guys. That's going to be next. And that's going to be by Dr. Pachico or whatever his name is. Then there's going to be the Jen Stanley Hawkins. She's a double diamond. She's going to talk. The Power of Your Story by Kendra Hall. And then it's got the whole lineup right there, guys. So then if you want to click on Event Home, you can click on Event Home, right? And so when you click on Event Home, it's going to take you here, and it's going to say Friday's lineup right here. It's going to say 7 o'clock this morning, the fitness, which is 9 o'clock our time, so it's already started. It's 45 minutes long, and then it's got the online store. So you're going to see the online store. It starts at 11, which is 1 o'clock our time. And then see, you scroll down here, and it's got all these different things. So if you click on General Session, it's going to show you the different sessions right there, 1, 2, and 3. When they start, you'll be able to view those, okay? Then I'm going to click back here. I'm going to go back to Event Home. I'm going to go there. And then you got right here the online store. So when the online store opens, you will be able to click on this and you'll be able to go to the online store and go shopping. But if you click on it now, I'm going to show you what it does because Karen and I went over that this morning. It says, online store, Greg Hunter, we're sorry you haven't been invited to this event. If you believe you should have access, try signing out and then back in a different account. So that's just simply saying that the store is not live yet because you're not going to see anything until the store goes live at 1 o'clock p.m. Central Time. Okay, guys? So I'm going to click back out of that. Then for the recognition gala, that's tomorrow night. That's the last thing that's going to be going on. So I hope this helps and everything, but I'm going to click out of this real quick, and then I am going to click back out of that, and then I'm going to go back over here. Okay, so see, I registered Greg for the general session number 1. Now I'm going to scroll through here, and that's in CCC, that means closed caption. So let's see, we're going to go ahead and register Greg for the yoga and guidance event. That is tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock. So we're going to go ahead and register him for that and get it put on there. Okay, guys? So then you just say register for this event. Voila, you're registered. Okay, guys? Now I'm going to click out of that. I'm going to scroll back down here. And we've got, okay, general session number 2. So I'm going to go ahead and click on general session number 2. It's going to pop up that little box again. That is tomorrow, June 20th. Welcome, Greg. We're going to go ahead and register Greg for this event. Okay, so there you go. So now he's registered for that event. Okay, so we're going to click out of that. Then we're going to scroll down here and we are going to find general session number 3. Now you want to make sure you get the right one because some of them are in Spanish. If you'll see right there, that's in Spanish. That's in a different language right there. So you click on general session number 3. Okay, we are going to register for the event. Voila, it's done. So Greg is now registered for that event as well. Okay, and then it also tells you right here everything that's going to be going on. There's going to be musical entertainment, blah, 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 different speakers. Somebody's going to talk about the power of the triplex, Dr. Logan, one Plexus honorees, and then closing belief. So, okay, and then it says personal financial management. Okay, so then we're going to click out of that real quick. Come on, click out. There, okay. And now we're going to go down here to the last thing that I'm going to register him for, and it's the recognition gala. So we're going to do that. The little box is going to pop up. It's going to say register for the event. So we're going to register for the event. Okay, there you go. So that way it's all done. He's registered for all the events. And there you go. So then I'm going to click back out of this, and now I'm going to show you. If you go, let's see, we're going to go back over here. We're going to click on events again. And when you scroll down to the events, it's going to say registered events. And it's going to show all of the events that we are registered for. So there's the mixed fitness, general session 1, the yoga, and guided mediation, general session 2, general session 3, and recognition gala. So there you go, guys. And see, once you click on it down there, since you're registered, all you've got to do when the event, you're ready for the event, you just get on here, you sit here and wait for general session 1. And then once it starts, you're ready to go and you'll be able to watch the event. Okay, guys? There you go. I hope this helps. And if you have your shirt, be sure to put your shirt on. I've got mine on. I'm ready. I'm excited. I am ready for the new product launch. I can't wait. We are so excited, guys. And also, if you earned any of the prizes, like the $25 credit for the store or the $50 credit for the store, then you probably got an email today. So be sure and check your emails, because they sent you a personal code that you can use for buying stuff at the company store. Okay, guys? I hope this helps. And please let me know if you have any questions. And we're here to help you out, okay? You guys take care. And I'm going to stop sharing real quick. Okay, guys, I'm back. There, now you can see me, okay? But anyway, just let us know if you have any questions. We're here for you. Get excited and get ready for the new product launch tonight. And hope you guys all have a great day. And I hope this video helped. And I'm going to post it in the Heart group here in a few minutes, okay? God bless. Take care. And I am going to stop the recording.